right, so we got a Khao Soi ingredients. This is curry powder. Any old curry powder would do, according to Chef Am. Shallots, we're using Western garlic this time because we don't want the skin. Ginger and galangal. And then kaffir lime zest on the skin, right?
Yes,
this is the
kaffir
zest.
lime peel.
And then we got some lemongrass, coriander seeds, and cumin. This is our Khao Soi ingredients. Now we're gonna toast the coriander seeds. Nice, it's a little toasty. Make sure you don't burn, huh?
Pound down.
Okay, so we pounded the coriander seeds.
And cumin, and then we're gonna put the tough things inside between
Okay.
lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime peel.
Okay, everything. Everything, and then also lemongrass.
And this one, I'm gonna cut them smaller than this, and I put them in.
Pound, stir, pound. Oh my God, I'm winded.
And then you put these things in.
Okay, you know I'm very tired. I stayed up till 4 a.m. watching American football. Do you know fantasy football?
No.
It's very important in my life. Championship of fantasy football. So, all right, a little garlic, little shallots, more pounding.
Okay.
Oh, nice. For color.
Color.
Oh, nice and lube it up a little bit, you know.
All of it. Be careful your face and your eyes. Sometimes jump out.
That's why I got my safety goggles. Okay, I think we got a paste, Chef. Looks pretty good, right?
Actually, it's not yet. A little bit more. A few more minutes.
We need that SpongeBob. 30 minutes later.
A few moments later.
Jimmy, we gotta get back to work.
No mas. No
Come
mas
on, let's
trabajo.
go.
No mas trabajo. It's a very smooth paste. Looks extremely smooth to me. This is about 500 calories burnt making this paste.
All of it, very
All the hard work, all my blood, sweat, and tears into the oil. Oh yeah. Ah!
Low drop, no
Low
bungee
drop, low
jumping.
Low drop, low drop.
And then this is the curry powder.
Oh.
Like that. I'll get a little higher, but don't want to burn it. Make sure it's not too hot to burn our curry paste.
Yeah, this is real finesse. Takes real finesse. Ooh. So now we get some drumsticks involved. Okay.
And then you fry them. Don't stop moving.
Okay, gotta keep
This
it
is
moving.
the coconut cream.
Gotta keep
That
it
is
moving.
crispy.
Oh, this is all my hard work. One chicken wing here. Oh, all the coconut
Yeah,
cream.
look at nice color.
Woo-wee. Wow, that looks good, huh? Wow, tell me that doesn't look good. Dang.
Now we're gonna turn the heat a bit lower. Okay, 6
Lower.
o'clock. Then you put fish sauce in.
Oh, fish sauce.
Ooh.
Okay, how much?
About half of that ladle.
Half of the ladle.
More.
This good?
More.
Okay.
More fish sauce, tastier. That's enough.
Okay.
Don't forget this palm sugar. Oh god, this much first.
No palm sugar. Smash it to the bottom. Very nice. Okay, what's that?
This is coconut milk.
This is milk. Okay, that was the thick cream first, the first batch of cream. Now we do the milk. Just the whole shebang. Yeah, the milk is a little lighter. I see. I didn't know a difference between coconut milk and cream. Oh, come on. Oh, nice. Get that wing in there too. Bonus wing. Get that 2-piece. Give him that 2-piece.
Add a little bit and put them on top of crispy.
All right.
Crispy.
Oh,
More.
wow. Yeah, don't be shy with them crisp. Beautiful. That's good. That's nice, Bri. Woo!
Our vegetable pickle.
That we just bought from the market. Nice.
And then, you like spicy? We have a
Of
chili
course,
powder.
that's the homemade chili oil. Whoa,
that's a
big
lot.
scoop. Go for it. Go for it, Chef.
Okay.
Hey, Come on. Yes.
And then we're gonna put this shallot slice.
I love me some shallot slices.
Oops, sorry. And then to make it more pretty, we're gonna put this one, spring onion and coriander.
Oh, this looks beautiful, chef.
Lime. So before we eat it, we squeeze the lime juice in, mix everything well, then it changes the flavor. Such a nice combination together. This is Khao Soi!
Okay, this is like my dream happening in front of me in Chiang Mai right now with 2 bowls of khao soi that we made. I gotta check the broth first. Broth check. Real thick right now, you see that? Oh, that's good. All that pounding was worth it. I can really taste the lemongrass and all the other ingredients, the galangal, the kaffir lime. Let me try a little noodle. The noodle is so fresh. Got a nice structure to it. Feels like it soaks up the sauce. That chili oil is so nice. What can be better? When Chiang Mai, we just learned how to do this. Got 2 bowls of khao soi in front of me. Me and Bri's gonna share this. I'm not gonna eat it by myself. Thank you, Chef Ann. Thank you. I think she went back to take care of her kids. But we did it, guys. We did it. This is amazing. Dream come true. All happening. Jimmy's Kitchen International Edition. All in Chiang Mai. And I'm the champ of my fantasy football.
Sorry.
How much is that box of coconut milk?
65 baht.
65
65
baht.
baht.
So that's about what? $2? Yeah, I'll pay you $20 to stop doing this.